once again to the Jofor's IT Services and Trading Enterprise on YouTube. Welcome to the episode 19 of how to become a data bundle agent on secret websites. If this is your first time visiting this channel, if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all. The reason why you need to turn on the notification button for all is to enable you to receive notifications for any new video that we will upload onto this channel. Please don't also forget to share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from this. Now, as I always tell you, it is not easy these days to be employed into the public sector. That is why it is the aim of the Jofor's IT Services to make sure that our followers, our subscribers, or our audience get something doing. Even if you are working in the public sector, you need a side business that can be fetching some coins into your pocket. So in our previous lesson, I revealed a particular secret website to you, a website that you can register yourself on. Now, in episode 17, I reveal a new website to you, a website that you can register yourself on as a data bundle agent and make huge profits. Because the data bundle business is one of the businesses that is fetching now. The data bundle business is what people are gaining much money from. Don't invest your money into those scam businesses. The data bundle business, what you need to do is to get your registration fee, you register yourself as an agent, then you start gaining money, you start earning money even as you are in your bedroom, even as you are on your bed. Wherever you find yourself, you'll be making money out of this data bundle business. People are building houses out of this data bundle business. People are buying cars out of this data bundle business. People are doing so many investments out of this data bundle business. So please, the only thing that you need to do for me is to make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Alright, now in episode 17, I revealed to you a secret website called the gracedata.company.site. I take it again, gracedata.company.site. That is one of the most reliable data bundle websites on which you can register yourself as an agent and begin to make profit and begin to make sales and begin to get money into your pocket even as you are in your room, even as you are at the marketplace, wherever you find yourself. You begin to make money out of that particular portal. So please, if you register yourself on that portal, if you register yourself on gracedata.company.site and you face any problem, kindly contact the numbers appearing on your screens for more information or for support. Now, in episode 18, I also revealed to you another secret website that you can register yourself on as a data bundle agent. And I made it known to you that it is not easy to get those portals these days. It is not easy to get those portals and register yourself on. So if you have the opportunity to get these portals, kindly use it well. Don't abuse the opportunity. So we have all those videos on our channel here. We have those videos. We have videos on those two websites and many other websites on this our website. Let's delve right into today's lesson. Alright, so this is the browser that I'll be using. So I'll be using the Google Chrome. So let me quickly click on the Google Chrome browser and launch it. Alright, so when you launch your browser, let's go to the website. Let's go to the website. This is the website that we'll be using for this lesson. So https:/. So the name is MauryaJiAllTech.company.site. This is a new website that we'll be using in this lesson. This is a new secret website that I'll be revealing to you in this lesson. So MauryaJiAllTech.company.site. So let's quickly launch it. Good. So this is the new website. This is the new reliable website that the JForce IT services will be revealing to you in today's lesson. So as you can see at the top here, MauryaData. So the name is MauryaData.company.site. Alright, so this is the website that we'll be using in today's lesson. So you can have time to read all these things that they are saying here. So if you want to be part of this particular website, what you need to do before you can be able to place orders on this site as an agent is to click on this register button, click on the registration button there to register as an agent. Now let's look at the packages available on this particular site before we move to the next thing that we need to do in this particular lesson. So they have data bundle packages from 1 gig to 50 gig for MTN. Then for the Airtel Tigo, they have 1 gig to 50 gig as well. So as I said earlier, if you want to be part of this particular portal, you only have to click on register as an agent. Click on that button there, the red button there. Then the registration menu will pop up for you to do your registration to become an agent on this particular portal. So what you need to do is to fill in your name, you fill in your email address. So let me use my email address here. Then you enter your telephone number. Now, after you enter your telephone number, the next thing that you need to do is to click on Pay Now. But before we click on the Pay Now, let's read something here. Data Bundle Agent Registration by Mauro Company. Payment for Data Bundle Agent Registration. So this is clearly telling us that we are registering as an agent on this particular data bundle portal. So let's click on Pay Now. But please note, the registration here is 100 Ghana cedis. This is the registration. So let's click on Pay Now. When you click on Pay Now, the prompt will appear for you to enter your mobile money number and select your network. So I enter my mobile money number like that. Then you click on Confirm. When you click on Confirm, the prompt will appear for you to enter your mobile money PIN code. So you enter your mobile money PIN code. Then we take it from there. And now when the prompt appears for you to enter your PIN code there, immediately you enter the PIN code and you confirm payment, the system will automatically open for you. The agent portal will automatically open for you to start buying and selling data bundle to other agents, and you begin to make much profit out of this. Alright, so let me quickly enter my PIN code and confirm it, then we take it from there. Oh wow, immediately I entered my PIN code, immediately I entered my mobile money PIN code. The system just opened for me. Now, after the registration, an email was sent into my email address. So they will send you some mail. They will send it to you. Please make sure that you keep it. Don't delete it, because you'll be using that link to log into your agent portal. Everybody that registered on this portal is having his or her own unique login password and everything. So please keep that email safely. Now, this is the agent portal. Have you seen that it has opened? New features are coming. Fastest data bundle delivery, Black Friday, 50%, blah blah blah. Now let's scroll to the package section. So we have MTN packages and Airtel Tigo packages on this website. So the MTN, we have 1 gig to 5 gig here, then 6 gig to 15 gig here, then we have 20 gig to 50 gig here. Then the Airtel Tigo side too, we have 1 gig to 5 gig here, we have 6 gig to 15 gig here, then 20 to 100 gigabytes. Now let's look at their working hours. They work from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. each day. They work from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. each day. You can contact them on this number here. You can contact them on this number here. So that is about their working hours. Now let's come to this side and see what will appear there. So contact us. It will come to this particular side here. So guys, this is the agent portal that I want to reveal to you in this lesson. Now let's see how we can place orders, how we can buy data bundle and sell to other people in this lesson. Let's click on the 1 gig to 5 gig. Let me show you the packages available. Let me show you the packages available before we look at even how to place orders. Now, when you check the system, the 1 gig here is 5 cedis. Then the 2 gig is 9 cedis, 50 pesos. The 3 gig is 14 cedis, 50 pesos. We have the 4 gig here is 18 cedis, 20 pesos. We also have the 5 gig here, which is 22 cedis, 50 pesos. Then that ends it for 1 gig to 5 gig because it is from 1 gig to 5 gig for now. Now their working hours again still the same, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Let's go back to 6 gig then 15 gig and see what we have there. Let's see the pricing there. Let's see how each package is costing. So 6 gig here is 26 cedis, 50 pesos. 7 gig here is 32 cedis, which you can never get anywhere. All the prices that you can see here, you can never get them anywhere. And the 8 gig here is 35 cedis, 60 pesos, which you can never get anywhere. The 10 gig is 42 cedis here. The 15 gig is 58 cedis. The 15 gig is 58 cedis. Back to their working hours, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can contact them on this number here. You can even send them email. If you register on this portal and you face some challenges, you can contact the owners of the MauryaData on that email or on that telephone number there for more assistance. Now let's go back. Let's go to 20 gig to 50 gig and click on it. Click on this here. Now let's see how much they are also costing. The 20 gig here is 75 cedis. Then the 25 gig here is 90 cedis. Then we also have the 30 gig here, which is also 110 cedis. Then we have the 40 gig here, which is 145 Ghana cedis. And we also have the 50 gig here, which is 173 Ghana cedis. That is how the MTN packages are costing. Still, their working hours remain the same. They work from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. each day. Now, let's go to the Tigo side. This portal is having both the MTN packages and then the Tigo packages. Now, when we check this one, we have the Tigo from 1 gig to 5 gig. So let's click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to a different place where you see the packages. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button for all. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, because in our next lesson, which is going to be episode 20, we are going to reveal to you another secret website. Because in our next lesson, which is going to be episode 20, we are going to reveal to you another secret website. Okay, so let's see. The Tigo 1 gig here is costing 5 cedis for now, and it will be reduced by next week. It will be reduced by next week. That was the update I received from the owners of this particular portal. Now, the 2 gig here is 9 cedis. The Tigo 2 gig is 9 cedis for agent. Then the 3 cedis, then the 3 gig here is 12 cedis. Then we have the 4 gig here, which is 14 cedis. Then we also have the 5 gig here, 18 cedis, and the working hours still remain the same. You can contact this number in case you face any challenge with the registration. And also, if you face any challenge with the registration on drfaith.company.site and gracedata.company.site, kindly contact the numbers appearing on your screen. Contact the GeForce IT services on the numbers appearing on your screens. Alright, so let's click on this one from 6 gig to 15 gig and let's see how those ones are also costing. When you click on the 6 gig to 15 gig, then we have it here. The 6 gig is 22 cedis. The Airtel Tigo 6 gig is 22 cedis. Then the Airtel Tigo 7 gig is 25 cedis. The Airtel Tigo 8 gig is 28 cedis. Then the 10 gig here is 38 cedis. The Airtel Tigo 10 gig is 38 cedis. And then we have the 15 gig here. The 15 gig is 51 Ghana cedis, which you can never get on any portal. The 15 gig is 51 Ghana cedis. The 15 gig is 51 Ghana cedis, which you can never get on any portal. Their working hours still stands the same. They work from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. each day. If you want to register, or if you have registered on this portal and you face some challenges, you can contact the numbers appearing here. Their contact numbers are the ones below here. You can contact them. Alright, now let's go to the last section, which is the 20 gig to 100 gig. 20 gig to 100 gig. Let's click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the next menu. It will take you to the next menu to see the available packages. Alright, so when we check this one here carefully, you realize that the 20 gig here is 67 cedis. The 20 gig here is 67 Ghana cedis. Then the 30 gig here is 90 Ghana cedis. Then all these you can never get them anywhere. You can never get them on any agent portal. It is on only this portal that you can have access to this kind of moderate prices. You can also have access to this kind of low prices. Now let's look at the 40 gig here. The 40 gig here is 111 Ghana cedis, which you can never get on any other portal. So please make sure you take good advantage of this. Make sure you use this portal wisely to be able to have some good standard of living. Now the 50 gig here is 121 Ghana cedis. The 15 gig is 121 Ghana cedis. All these things that we are going through in the system, the 1 gig, the MTN 1 gig is costing 7 Ghana cedis. The Airtel Tigo 1 gig is costing 6 Ghana cedis. So if you are buying it from the portal here at these low prices, you should know that you are going to gain much profit. Alright, so the 100 gigabyte is 186 Ghana cedis. So guys, these are the packages available on this portal. These are the packages available here. Alright, now let's look at how we can place orders. But before we move to how to place orders, let's do this analysis. If they are selling MTN 1 gig in the system, 7 Ghana cedis and 8 Ghana cedis, and you are buying it from the portal here, 5 cedis, how much are you making as profit if one person buy MTN 1 gig from you? If it is 7 cedis that you are selling it, then you are making 2 cedis profit from everybody that will buy from you on this particular portal. And if it is 8 cedis, then it means you are making 3 cedis that. Alright, so when you calculate that, when you calculate those small coins, by the end of the day you make something huge. So please don't downplay this particular one that the interest is not all that much. Who told you? Do you know what 1 cedi can do in your life? Please, let's make good use of this particular portal. Alright, let's look at how we can place orders on this site. So let's click on the 1 gig to 5 gig. We want to buy MTN 1 gig from this particular portal. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to click on buy now. Click on buy now, or you click on the MTN logo here. Choose one. Is it that you click on the buy now, or you click on the MTN logo here to move to the next menu. When you click on the buy now, then the next menu will pop up for you. Alright, so when the next menu pop up, you have to add to bag. Alright, so let's click on add to bag. When you click on the add to bag, then it will take you to the next menu where you have to enter your email address. So I insert my email address like this. So my email address is DigitalSkills. So I quickly enter my email address, DigitalSkills@gmail.com. Then I enter, then I check the dialog box there. I agree to terms and conditions. Then I choose checkout. You click on checkout. When you click on checkout, then a menu like this will pop up for you, the payment information. Now, please pay attention to this particular side. Let's all pay attention to this particular side. Any special request on your order? Yes, we have a special request. Now, let's see how we can use this particular side of this portal. Leave us a note about your order. So this is where you are going to enter the number that you want to buy the data bundle for. This is where you enter that number. So I want to buy the bundle for this number. This is the number that I want to buy the data bundle for. Now, after entering the number, I have to indicate the gigabyte that I want to buy. For security reasons, sometimes if you just write the number, delivery will delay. The delivery will delay for you. So I want to buy MTN 1 gig. So if you want to buy Airtel to go, after entering the Airtel to go number, you indicate it. Is it 1 gig? Is it 2 gig? Is it 3 gig that you want to buy? Is it 50 gig that you want to buy? You indicate it here. Now, please take notice of this. Their delivery is between 1 to 30 minutes. Their delivery is between 1 to 30 minutes. Now, after entering the beneficiary number, then you click on go to payment. Now, if you want to buy for yourself, it is the same thing that you input here. If you want to buy for somebody, you have to input the person's number here. Whoever you want to buy for, you have to indicate the number and the gigabyte here. Then you proceed to payment. So click on payment and let's move to the next menu. Good. So this is what you see. So I have to input my Momo number here, the mobile money number that I'll use for payment. I have to input it here. I have to insert the mobile money number here. I have already copied it from somewhere, so let me just insert it. Then the system will automatically select the network for me. Is it MTN or Airtel to go? The system will automatically select it for me. Alright, so click on confirm. When you click on the confirm, because this is my first time using this portal, an OTP code will be sent to the number that I entered as my mobile money number. A code will be sent to the number that I entered as my mobile money number. So let's wait for the code to come so that we complete the payment process. So let's wait patiently for the countdown here. After this countdown, the code will come. So let's wait for the code to come. Good. That is the code. So I only have to click on copy. Then I'll come and paste it here. Then click on authorize. After you paste the code here, you click on authorize. Good. So the authorization process is ongoing. Now, immediately you are done with that, then the prompt will appear on your phone to confirm the payment. You have to enter your mobile money PIN code. So you are paying to MauryaJiAllTech company. you are paying to Mauro company. So you enter your PIN code like that. Let me enter my PIN code, then we take it from there. Alright, so when you enter the PIN code, you have to confirm again. So do you want to approve the transaction? Yes, we want to approve the transaction. Then you click on send. When you click on send, then payment successful. So guys, this is how you place orders on this portal. You can only have access to the packages on the site after registration. If you didn't register, there is no way you can have access to the packages on the portal. So guys, thank you very much for paying attention to this video. Thank you very much for paying attention to this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all, because in our next lesson, which is going to be episode 20, we are going to reveal to you another secret, another best data bundle website on which you can register yourself as an agent and make a huge money on daily basis. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please note, any order that you place on the site, you see this. Any order that you place on the site, you see, and you see payment receipt. So when you click on print order now, it will come for you to see. In case you have any problem, in case your order is not delivered, you can send them this payment receipt, this order receipt, so that they can be able to work on your orders for you. So thank you very much. Let's meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.